Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Let's jump right into our video and see what we can create. So we're going to try this pumpkin thing again. If you have not seen my previous video on this pumpkin, then you need to check it out. I made pumpkin mud, but we're going to do it again, and I have sprayed it with a coat of orange spray paint, and I'm going to be using the colors here. This is a vivid red orange. And that's by Liquitex Heavy Body. This is also Liquitex Heavy Body medium cad yellow, and it has some Liquitex Phalo green, and then some Liquitex dioxine purple. Purple just because I think it goes really good with orange. And I wanted to have another pop of color in there. I'm hoping that this dries darker than it looks right here, but and I think it will. But we're going to, instead of doing a dirty pour, I'm going to just pour each color over it and then just work with it and see what I can get. And I want to start by letting it kind of run down the sides a little bit, but also to puddle right here in the center so that I can manipulate the paint and let it run down each one of those crevices around the pumpkin, just by picking it up and tilting it. And I'm not trying to achieve an overall complete cover of the acrylic paint. I'm not going for the twofer by putting a canvas under this. I'm just strictly concentrating on the pumpkin itself, and just touch up every once in a while if I see something that needs it. And then I decided with the green, instead of trying to pour it over the side like I did the orange and the yellow, that I would pour it in the center and then allow it to run down the cracks of the pumpkin as well. And then I'm just using the yellow to kind of fill in a couple places. That's a little bit lower on the pumpkin. You can see I already got some cells going on with that green. And I decided to add a little bit of the yellow to the green because it was giving me those cells, and I really liked the way it was looking. And it toned down some of the green too. I don't want it to be so vibrant that it overtakes the whole pumpkin. Just want, those little patches of green like you see on real pumpkins. Of course, you don't see purple on them, but you're going to see purple on this one. So I'm just kind of adding little drips and letting it run here and there, and then I'm going to work the colors in to the purple and let it kind of run down over it. Just letting it drain, and it's toning it down, and I'm liking the way this is looking. So I think this is going to work. And this will be part one of this video. I'm going to let this dry really well, and then come back and do some resin over it. And I'm thinking I'm going to go with some rose gold or bronze in with my clear resin, so that I can get maybe some webbing or something on the layer of the resin over the acrylic pour. So I'm just going to keep letting the colors mingle and making sure that I don't make mud again. Just using little bits of the purple in with the green. And then this is what it looks like so far. I I'm loving it. I think it's going to look great. So if you've enjoyed this video, please click like and share, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell so you get notified when I upload future videos, and there'll be a part 2 to this one, so keep your eye out for that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time in my next Creative Escapade.